Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday Learning, the channel where you learn simple, useful, and real English for daily life. If you are a beginner, don't worry. This lesson is made just for you. Today's topic is Daily English Conversations for Beginners. We will learn how to speak English at home, at school, in the market, in the office, and while traveling. Please listen carefully. Repeat after me and practice every day. Let's begin. English conversations at home. Conversation.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Wake up early today.
Okay. What's for breakfast?
We have eggs and bread.
That sounds good. Useful sentences at home. Good morning. Did you sleep well? I'm still sleepy. What's for breakfast? Please clean your room. Help me. Please. I'm hungry. I'm tired. Conversation 2. Asking for help.
Can you help me? Sure. What do you need? Please open this jar. No problem. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Practice time speaking head. Repeat. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Thank you. You're welcome. Part 2. English conversations at school. Conversation 1. In the classroom. Good morning, students. Good morning, teacher. Are you ready for the lesson? Yes, we are. Please open your books. Which page? Teacher. Page 10. Okay. Useful school sentences. Good morning, teacher. May I come in? I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? How do you spell that? May I go out? Conversation 2. Talking with a friend. Hi, what's your name? My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Which class are you in? I'm in class A. Practice time memo. Answer aloud. What's your name? Which class are you in? Who is your teacher? Part 3. English conversations at the market. Conversation 1. Buying food. Hello, hello. How can I help you? I want some apples. How many do you want? I want 1 kilo. Here you are. How much is it? It's 50 baht. Here you are. Thank you. Useful market sentences. How much is this? It's too expensive. Can you make it cheaper? I want this one. Do you have fresh vegetables? I'm just looking. Conversation 2. Asking for prices. Excuse me, seller. Yes. How much is this shirt? It's 300 baht. Can I try it on? Yes, you can. Practice time speech balloon. Say, how much is this? Can you give me a discount? I'll take it. Part 4. English conversations at the office. Conversation 1. At work. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Are you busy now? A little, but I can talk. Please finish this report today. Okay, I will do it. Useful office sentences. I'm at work. I'm busy right now. I'll call you later. Please check your email. Let's have a meeting. I'll finish it today. Conversation 2. Talking with a colleague. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. How about you? I'm good. Thank you. What time is the meeting? At 2 o'clock. Okay, see you then. Practice time. Answer. What time is the meeting? Are you busy now? When will you finish? Part 5. English conversations for travel. Conversation 1. At the airport. Staff. Good afternoon. May I see your passport? Yes, here you are. Where are you going? I'm going to Bangkok. Enjoy your trip. Thank you. Useful travel sentences. Where is the toilet? How much is the ticket? I need help. Can you show me the way? I'm lost. Thank you very much. Conversation 2. At the hotel. Welcome. How can I help you? I have a reservation. May I have your name, please? My name is John. Here is your room key. Thank you. Conversation 3. Asking for directions. Excuse me. Yes. Where is the bus station? Go straight and turn left. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Speaking head daily practice section. Try to speak every day. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What are you doing? I'm learning English. Can you help me? Nice to meet you.